tech. Do what I did there. That's funny. So we got two 11 blocks. We got an Ember one and a Star Wars one. And yeah, the time was we don't really know the real time. This is a PM one. We'll go PM. We'll decide to do the same. So it's 3:46 PM. Well, it says PM there, but that'll just go to 15, so kind of different. And I'm close to that, so we have a little couple of nights. So, yeah. Do those things that we have to I'll set my alarm to 3. My alarm's 3:47, so that should